champagne. Cheers, because we are making the most fabulous candy for grown-ups ever with my DIY Rosé Gummy Bears. You guys, my friends, are totally obsessed with these. They totally taste like sparkling rosé champagne, and they're seriously so easy to make. These super easy 3-ingredient gummy bears are made with rosé and sparkling with edible glittery gold stars for a totally show-stopping candy to serve at your next party. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button to be the first to see my all new videos. And the best part is, you don't have to make them with rosé champagne. You can do this with red wine, white wine, regular champagne, whatever you like, so they're super versatile to celebrate with. So I made these two ways, with and without pink food coloring, for a mix of champagne colored gummies and pink gummies, and I couldn't help myself. I had to add some edible glittery gold stars to really make these sparkle. Seriously, how fabulous would these be at your next cocktail party? Yes way, rosé all day. You can put them out in a bowl or a champagne flute, even drop them into a glass of rosé or skewer them on a toothpick for a really fun cocktail garnish. And if you're not of legal drinking age, don't worry, keep watching, because I'm going to show you how to make a non-alcoholic version of these sparkling gummy bears. Okay, so these are crazy easy to make, and as always, I'll leave the full written recipe for you guys down below, or you can get it on my website at lindsayannbakes.com. So first we just place the gummy bear molds on a baking sheet, and I'm going to sprinkle some edible gold stars into the molds, and I'll leave a link for where you guys can get this online, but it's totally optional. It just kind of makes them really extra special. Then we're going to pour half a cup of rosé into a medium saucepan and sprinkle 2 1/4-ounce packets of gelatin right over the top. So if you want to make these non-alcoholic, just leave out the half a cup of rosé and add in a 1/4 cup of cranberry juice with a 1/4 cup of sparkling club soda, so you still get that sparkling gummy bear flavor. Then just stir this all together and let it sit for a minute so the gelatin has a chance to start to bloom. Then over low heat, just stir in a 1/4 cup of white sugar. And if you want, you can add a drop of pink food coloring to give it that rosé color. Then you're just going to stir the mixture until the gelatin and the sugar are dissolved. So the trick to making these so they stay nice and sweet and boozy is low and slow on the stovetop. Don't let it get over 90 degrees Fahrenheit so you still get that really intense rosé champagne flavor shining through. And that was basically it. Now we're just going to turn off the heat, but we're going to leave it on the burner to keep the gelatin warm while we fill up our gummy bear molds. So I'm just using a little dropper that came with the molds, but you can also just pour the mixture right on top and use a spatula to kind of wipe away any excess. So I got this gummy bear mold online, and I'll leave a link for you guys so you can get one too, but you can definitely just pour the mixture into a regular 8x8-inch pan and just line it with plastic wrap. That way once it's all firm, just pull it out and you can slice it up into little square gummies so you don't even need the mold at all, and they come out totally perfect. You guys, you can kind of already smell the rosé. We're just gonna pop these in the fridge to firm up for a few hours, or you can just pop them in the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes until they're nice and firm, and then we can pop them out and give them a try. You guys, how insanely fabulous did these turn out? Oh my gosh, I love the little stars. These turned out so cute. Then we just let them come to room temperature, and they are soft and gummy and ready to serve. If you're not going to serve them right away, just put them in an airtight container in the fridge. Make sure they're covered so they don't dry out and get tough and rubbery. Then just bring them to room temperature before serving, and you are all set for the most fun candy ever. I can't decide if I like the clear champagne colored ones or the pink rosé ones better. They're so cute. I kind of like to mix and match and combine them all for a really fun look. Alright, the best part, I cannot wait to taste these little cuties. Look at this little gummy guy. If you guys give these a try, be sure to tag me in a picture on social media at Lindsay Ann Bakes, or if you know someone who would love these rosé all-day gummy bears, be sure to share this video with them. Alright. Oh my god, it tastes just like rosé champagne. These are so cool. It's kind of sad biting the head off this cute little gummy, but you guys, these are insane. They literally taste like sparkling rosé in a gummy candy form. These are like the total ultimate candy for grown-ups. All your friends are gonna love these, I promise. These are soft and chewy, just like a regular gummy bear, but they have that rosé sparkling flavor to them. And those pretty gold stars just make them extra magical. Like, how could you not smile when you take a bite off the head of one of these little gummies? And if you guys love this recipe, you're also gonna love my cupcake vodka gummy bears or my funfetti cupcake cocktails. So be sure to check those videos out too. So there you have my easy homemade rosé champagne gummy bears. Thanks so much for watching and commenting. You guys are the best. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for tons more videos that I know you're gonna love. And I'll see you right here next time. Bye!
Yes way rosé, yes way rosé.
And can we totally pretend this is a bear filter for the purposes of this week's YouTube video? Rosé gummy bears with real rosé in them. Yes way, rosé, all day. Your friends are gonna flip over these. They're pretty epic.